That is kind of an international thing.
Oh,
Is
geez.
it moving along?
It's moving along on all fronts. In other words, Oakland and Macomb County, have 550 small manufacturers on this network. This is a network where we buy and distribute 3D printers to small manufacturers, teach them how to use it.
Right.
We're now at the point where Wayne County is going to join us. And
Oh,
they're going to bring 250 more manufacturers to the network, all in Wayne County. And that's going to create this Southeast Michigan just juggernaut. And at the same time, we just announced we're going to get an $8 million contract with the Department of Defense to validate that Project Diamond can be a surge capacity mechanism for
Oh,
the
wow.
parts that they need.
That's awesome. So this goes back to like mass individual production.
That's right, distributed manufacturing.
Yeah.
So we want to change the narrative from the great big smokestack plants to the fact that we can do manufacturing in all the communities of Michigan